To locate gallbladder 40, put the tip of your index finger on your ankle, then move your finger to a point just below and in front of your ankle bone, like this. Now, push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is gallbladder 40. Activate gallbladder 40 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate gallbladder 40 on your other foot.